Welcome to our video presentation on the Cuisinart CPO-600 Portable Outdoor Pizza Oven. In this video, we will introduce you to this amazing appliance, discuss its features and benefits, and show you why it's the perfect addition to your outdoor cooking setup. So, let's get started. Are you tired of compromising on the quality of your outdoor cooked pizzas? Introducing the Cuisinart CPO-600 Portable Outdoor Pizza Oven, designed to bring the authentic taste of a pizzeria right to your backyard. Whether you're hosting a backyard party, going on a camping trip, or simply craving a freshly baked pizza, the Cuisinart CPO-600 is your go-to solution. Its portable and compact design allows you to take it anywhere and create mouth-watering pizzas on the go. Let's talk about the incredible features that make the Cuisinart CPO-600 stand out from the competition. Firstly, it features a built-in cordierite pizza stone, which ensures even heat distribution and perfectly crispy crusts every time. Say goodbye to soggy or unevenly cooked pizzas. With its easy-to-use temperature control knobs, you have full control over your cooking experience. Whether you prefer a slightly charred crust or a perfectly golden one, simply adjust the temperature to achieve the desired results. Worried about not being able to monitor your pizza's progress? The Cuisinart CPO-600 comes with a convenient viewing window, allowing you to keep an eye on your masterpiece without opening the oven and losing heat. Now, let's discuss the benefits of owning a Cuisinart CPO-600 Portable Outdoor Pizza Oven. Firstly, it saves you time and money. No need to wait for pizza delivery or spend a fortune eating out. With this oven, you can create professional quality pizzas at a fraction of the cost, right in the comfort of your own backyard. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time with more exciting culinary adventures. Happy cooking, everyone!